Hey folks, happy Sunday. This is your friend Sur here. Just wanted to give it to you the best business advice which I received from my mentor. Listen to this very carefully. My friend, one of my mentor told me, Sur, if you're really looking for money right now, still you'll be broke. And I was thinking that night, why he said that? Because if you're not obsessed with focusing on helping or trying to solve somebody else's life so that they can change, either in wealth, either in health, or either in relationship. So on that day, I was thinking, like, if I can solve more problem and I can change more people's life, money will follow to me for sure. I have no doubt at all, which is I'm following this for the last 8 years. So if you focus on solving problem for somebody else's life, changing their wealth, health, and relationship. So if you do that, money will follow you. Cheers. Bye-bye.